getting the wheel hub assembly off, I decided maybe I would dismount the back rotor on backwards. So we'll give it a try. Well, that worked pretty well.
Trying to break it?
Now all you got to do is break loose. These two pieces. But at least we got it separated from the hub. So the second part of the video is breaking it loose. Not working so well. Maybe we'll try lubing it a little bit. Part 3. Try again.
That's really bad.
It's not breaking loose.
You should let me put my safety glasses on first. How far do you think they can hear that?
Huh?
Do you think people can hear that?
Oh yeah. I did not use the same lug nuts that were on the car. I went out and got different lug nuts because of the stress of hitting it. I wasn't sure if that would matter, so I didn't want to take the chance, so I bought some lug nuts. As you beat the crap out of the back, the plastic goes flying everywhere, so better be wearing safety glasses. One more thing. This was not the rotor I was planning on putting back on the car. This is the rotor that I took off the car, so that was going to be thrown away anyway. I would not have pounded the crap out of the rotor had I been actually putting it back on the car.